Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the on-screen keyboard so you can type without a physical keyboard. Open Settings or Accessibility and turn the feature on. Make sure you allow it to appear on the taskbar for quick access. Once done, pick a layout that matches your task: full for long typing, compact for touchscreens, numeric for PINs. You'll know it's active when a keyboard overlays the bottom of the screen. Keep this open as you move to customize input behavior. Now you customize controls so typing is efficient. You can resize the keyboard, change opacity, and add languages. This helps when switching between tasks or apps. Enable predictive text and swipe typing to speed up input, or turn on click sounds for feedback. If you use a mouse, switch to the mouse input mode so each key click registers reliably. Once configured, practice short phrases to confirm layout, then move on to shortcuts and special keys. Finish by learning special keys and shortcuts so you can work fast. Use Shift, Control, Alt, and Function keys the same way as a physical keyboard. Tap modifier keys once, then the target key. Use common shortcuts: Control+C to copy, Control+V to paste, Alt+Tab to switch apps, via the on-screen keyboard. If keys don't respond, restart the keyboard app, toggle accessibility off and on, and check language settings. If problems persist, reboot the device and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.